This is my older Lenovo T420 laptop. And about a year and a half ago, I replaced the LCD display because the backlight on it was flickering, and the image would cut out. So I replaced the LCD panel with one I bought off of eBay. And a few months after I installed this panel, I started getting these black lines at the bottom of the screen. It started down there where it's darker, and then it just worked its way up as a vertical line, and it's been growing out now horizontally from there, like a growth or a cancer or something. I was wondering if anyone out there was familiar with this kind of failure on an LCD. I've never seen it before. It wasn't, cracked or dropped or anything. It just almost like started growing organically. It's very strange. But of course, I'm way past the 1 month return ability on something like this, and I don't see much point in buying another panel. I think that the laptop's getting too old anyway, but it seems like, if one did this, well, probably others do as well. Although the seller was a reputable seller, there's no telling. I mean, is it a manufacturing defect that started in it when it was, still at the factory, and it was rejected and somehow made its way onto eBay or something? Be interested in hearing if anyone else has had this kind of thing happen to them. Thanks.